Hi everyone, welcome back to Chandra Edu, where we make learning Microsoft Excel simple, fun, and effective. Today, we are diving into a topic removing duplicates from Excel, a key feature in Excel that can help you digest the data. Trust me, by the end of this video, you will be ready to use it like a pro. Alright, let's get into it. Here we have the data, fresh fruit store, price list, and there are some column here. First one is the fruit name, and then the form of the fruit, retail price unit, and the brand store. Here, when we enter the data, maybe there are some duplicate or repetition here. For example, here for the fruit apple from fresh, retail price $1.8, retail price unit per pound, brand store New York. There is duplicate row here. Apple 2, fresh 1.8 per pound, and New York City. So in our data, there is duplicate that we want to remove the duplicate. So there are only the unique one. So here for another one, apple frozen concentrate juice, $0.6 per pint, New York City, and here in New York City too. So we want to remove the duplicate. You can remove the duplicate manually. For example, for the apple here, we want to remove because we have to take it manually. So just right click the row number and then delete here. And then the apple frozen concentrate too, we want to delete. Right click the row number and then delete. So if we have so long or so much list, it will be so tiring if we do removing the duplicate manually. So here in Microsoft Excel, there is a very good tool, I think, to remove the duplicate from Excel. So first we undo what we have done, Control Z, Control Z again, and then actually if we want to save the original version before we removing the duplicate, just copy the sheet here, removing duplicate from Excel, right click and then move or copy and create copy, move to end. Okay, so removing duplicate from X number 2. Here we want to digest the data. We want to remove the duplicate with the tools or menu from Microsoft Excel. First, just click a cell in the data. For example, here I want to click choose here, and then after that go to the data tab, and then in the data ribbon there is data tools here, data tools group, and here remove duplicate. Just click the remove duplicate. There is a pop-up here, remove duplicates. To delete duplicate value, select one or more column that contain duplicate. So in default, the column is selected, all of them, all of the column are selected. So column fruit, from, retail price unit, brand store. Uh, if we want to unselect, we can use unselect all, or we can uncheck manually one by one, uncheck, 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 like that. And then here there is my data has header that is checked here. So what about if we uncheck my data has header? Okay, we uncheck. So the column become column A, column B, column C, column D, column E. So the header here, fruit from retail, doesn't appear here. Okay, because actually our data has header, so I will check my data has headers. Check here, and then remove duplicate. Are we will remove duplicate based on what we want. So if we just want the unique data uh, based on the all column, fruit unique, from unique, retail price unit, brand store. So there is there is not duplication in the with the same uh, 5 column here, all of them. So for example here, if we have fruit name apple, from fresh, retail price 1.8, retail price unit per pound, brand store New York City, we want to remove the duplicate that the same in all of the column. So in the column fruit, the name also apple, the column form also fresh, and then retail price also 1.8, retail price unit also per pound, and brand store also New York City. So all of the column are the same. So we want to remove the duplicate. If like that, we have to select all of the column, fruit from retail price unit, and brand store, and then click OK. Here there is a pop-up, 43 duplicate value found and removed. 186 unique value remain. Note that count may include empty cell space, etc. Okay. So there is no duplication that the same in all of the column. Fruit from retail and also brand store and retail price unit. What about if we only want to have the data that the fruit name only appears one? If like that, we have to check when we remove the duplicate only in the fruit. Okay, let's practice it. First, we have to undo what we have done, and then click a cell in the data tab, data ribbon, data tools group, and remove duplicate here, and unselect all. We only select or check the fruit here and click OK. 176 duplicate value found and removed. Then OK. So based on the fruit name, apple only appears one, apple sauce only appears one, and also here cherries only appears one. But what about here? Under the cherries, there is cherries, comma, packed in syrup or water. That is different data. So we not remove the duplicate based on the partial, but all of the content of the cell. Here cherries packed in syrup or water, they are different. Okay, that's for today's tutorial. I hope you found this lesson helpful and makes working with Excel easier. If you have any question or suggestion for future tutorial, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.